For Thanksgiving 2022, we decided to celebrate at La Castaneda Hotel in Las Vegas, New Mexico. We stayed there previously in April of 2009, just after they opened. Since our first visit, the remainder of the rooms have been restored and the restaurant and bar are open. The Castaneda was built in 1898 and was Fred Harvey's first trackside hotel, the beginning of America's first hospitality empire. The hotel is roughly 30,000 square feet, plus a 500-foot-long arcade wrapping around the entire east facade and courtyard. The Santa Fe Railway mainline runs directly in front, connecting Las Vegas, New Mexico to Chicago and Los Angeles. Bar Castaneda and Kin Restaurant featured a Thanksgiving buffet with the usual fare one would expect for the holiday. Turkey, ham, and prime rib, along with the usual trimmings, were offered. The bar makes excellent drinks, and we enjoyed the old-fashioned and Manhattan, made as we requested with Woodford Reserve. Although I didn't take any pictures of the Thanksgiving feast, we did stay there another night, and featured here are their very excellent raviolis and stuffed poblano peppers. The restaurant has limited hours, a bit unusual for a hotel, and breakfast isn't served. The weather was cold on the way from Santa Fe, but we stopped at Bernal to greet Amtrak 3, the westbound Southwest chief, and mourn the loss of the famous semaphore that once resided there. The Castaneda was designed by Frederick Rohrig, a prominent Pasadena architect. It was the only building he designed for the AT and SF Railway. This was the earliest Fred Harvey hotel to be built in Mission Revival style and became the prototype for nearly all future Harvey properties. The new hotel was so successful that in 1902 the AT and SF built the Alvarado Hotel in Albuquerque based on the design of Castaneda. The Alvarado was torn down in 1970, an act of destruction so terrible it sparked a historic preservation movement in New Mexico. But the Castaneda survived, mostly abandoned and crumbling for 70 years. Running late, Amtrak 4 had a BNSF engine attached to the lead near Winslow, and we went out and caught it as it arrived in Las Vegas about 8 p.m. On the Friday after Thanksgiving, we caught westbound Amtrak 3 making an on-time arrival at Las Vegas under clear blue skies. for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel.